1. Check Xbox services are running. Press Win plus R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Find and ensure the following services are running. Xbox Live Auth Manager, Xbox Live Game Save, Xbox Live Networking Service, Gaming Services, IP Helper. If any of them are stopped, right-click and choose Start. Set their startup type to Automatic by right-clicking Properties. 2. Sign into the Xbox app and Microsoft Store. Open the Xbox app and sign in with the same account used to purchase or install Forza. Do the same in the Microsoft Store, top right corner profile icon. 3. Reset the Microsoft Store Xbox app. Go to Settings Apps Installed Apps. Find Microsoft Store and Xbox app. Click the 3 dots Advanced Options Reset. 4. Repair or reinstall gaming services. Open PowerShell as administrator and run. PowerShell. Copy. Edit. Get apps package Microsoft.gaming services. Remove apps package Alusas. Start MS Windows Store PDP Producted No MWP in DOCQ in LHN. This opens the store page for gaming services. Click Install or Update. 5. Clear Xbox and store cache. Press Win plus R, type wsrset.x, press Enter. This will clear Microsoft Store cache. Also, delete Xbox cache. Go to c://users/opening square bracket yourusername app data local packages Microsoft.xbox app _. Delete contents of local cache folder. 6. Check date time and region settings. Go to Settings Time Language Date Time. Enable Set Time automatically and Set Time Zone automatically. In Language Region, ensure the region matches your Microsoft account. 7. Reinstall Forza Horizon 5 if nothing else works. Backup your save data if possible, usually synced with Xbox Live. Uninstall the game via Settings Apps. Reinstall it through Xbox app or Microsoft Store. Reinstall the Xbox Identity Provider. The Xbox Identity Provider is essential for sign-in functionality in Xbox-related apps. Go to this Microsoft Store link in your browser. Xbox Identity Provider. Click Get in Store app and install it. Restart your PC. Check account permissions, family child accounts. If you are using a child account or a Microsoft family group, certain Xbox features might be restricted. Go to https://secount.microsoft.com/fmaly. Make sure your account has adult privileges. Ensure privacy settings at https://account.xbox.com/settings allow. You can join multiplayer games. You can sign in and see your friends. 11. Update Windows and graphics drivers. Go to Settings Windows Update, check for updates. Update graphics drivers via NVIDIA https://www.nvidia.com/download/index.aspx. AMD https://www.ad.com/en/support. Intel https://www.content/www/us/en/support/dtct.html. 12. Use Xbox Console Companion to sign in. Sometimes using the older Xbox Console Companion helps with authentication. Download from the Microsoft Store if not installed. Launch and sign in. Then open Forza Horizon 5.